Yeah, PRT completed, right? Today we'll see class and characteristics. Okay, class and characteristics. Okay, class and characteristics. It's characteristics is very important topic. Okay, it will come in the preventive also. Okay, characteristics is very important. For example, see again I'm telling the same. Before going to the screens, before T code, before running the screens, everything why business is using characteristics, why business is using class. Like that, every topic you should know the business understanding. Without the T code screens and all, no use. First, you should know the business understanding. Be very clear. If you're not able to understand, ask me. I'm ready to explain. Okay, first understand the business scenario. That is what consultant role. Okay, that is what the consultant role, right? Okay. So class and characteristics is nothing but the parameters of your objects: pressure, temperature, flow, color, diameter, anything. Okay, capacity, company, anything you can create as characteristics of the object. Clear? What is characteristic? For example, if you are buying a bag, company, color, size. Okay, this and all can be the parameters of my bag. Motor, company, single phase or three phase motor. Okay, AC motor or DC motor. Okay, and then what you can tell, speed, that is RPM of my motor, like this. Okay, for everything you have the parameters, right? For every object, for example, if, any object you are going to buy in the shop, you will tell the parameter and you will buy. Am I right? Fan, which company, 3 blade or 4 blade. If you need, you can tell the color and the voltage or current, right? All are called as the parameters. That is called as
You can
characteristics.
call it as a specification, sir.
Absolutely, specification, parameters, characteristics, all same.
Yes, okay.
SAP word is characteristics.
Okay.
Non-SAP specification or parameters, anything. Even the pressure, temperature, room temperature, pressure, flow, anything, anything of an object, that is called characteristics. Class we will discuss. Okay. One important point. Two things. One is only one T code for characteristics. Okay, CT04. That's all. No create, change, and display. Everything in one single T code, CT04. And you should be little cautious on unit of measure. Okay. Reason, if you give a unit of measure in the characteristics and if you save, and if you use the characteristics once, after that you cannot change the unit of measure by standard. Okay. So you should be little cautious with unit of measure. Okay. While giving the UAM, unit of measure or UAM. Okay, unit of measure, UAM, sometimes people will tell. Okay. So you should give the correct unit of measure. That's what I am trying to tell. Okay, so this characteristics linked to your equipment and FL through class. Okay, that we'll see. First we will finish the characteristics. So T code is CT04. We'll go to the system. Okay, so you can see display, change, create, all same place. Okay, one single T code. Actually, characteristics not only PM, it is used by other modules also. MM use more. PP. Okay, characteristics will be used by all the modules. It's not only for PM. And this characteristics is very important for the next topic. Not next bomb will do. Tomorrow we may be doing measuring point and document. For measuring point and document, characteristics is mandatory. Measuring point is very important for the preventive counters. Okay, so characteristics is very important topic. Okay, so we'll create something like kind of pressure now. Okay, pressure if I want to create, right? You can press enter. Okay, press enter PR. So it will give a pop-up. Okay, or you can click this button also. Or say yes. Okay. Give the description. Pressure for, okay, pressure for pump. All right. So status should be released. Very important. Okay. Remember that. Okay. Status should be released. Okay. If not, it may give some error. Okay. Should be released. Okay. It's a very important point. Put a star in your hand note. Okay. So So status released. Okay, here you can take numeric format because we are doing pressure, right? You can take as numeric format. So number of characters. Okay, so I am putting 6 characters, 2 decimal places. Okay, number of characters means how much character my pressure is. Okay, this is what I'm telling. Okay, 6 characters. Okay, so this length, right? That is the like this length. Okay, that is what this character and decimal places. Okay, give the UAM. Okay, very important. Okay, so keep as pressure something maybe pressure MNOP, right? HKL. Pressure cubic, right? Something cubic pressure will be cubic meter or something, right? Maybe we'll take for now cubic meter cube. Okay, I don't know correct or not. I am taking some random one. Okay, so press enter, right? So description of thing. Okay, so come to the value here. You can give your values. Okay, so 200, right, and below 100. Okay, 400, 4000 I'm giving, right? So see, actually, this template is very important. Okay, according to this template only here the data will take. You can see here full stop is there, it's not comma. Okay, so it will take according to this template, and this template changes according to the number of characters. If I put 8, press enter, see it changed. So the template will change according to the characters. Template will change according to the characters. That is SAP given standard. So according to the template only your data will take here. Okay, according to the character only, according to the template only, your data will be changing here. Here, okay, for example, give 4000, right? Okay, so 3. Okay, so 2 decimal places after 0, after comma 2 decimal places, because here we had given 2 decimal places, right? So this is how to create a characteristics. Any questions on characteristics? Any questions? Okay, right. So PR is my characteristics I created. I'm keeping in my notepad. Okay, PR is my characteristics I created, right? So save it. So again, if I want a color, okay, for example, I need to create a color, right? You can keep as color. Okay, example I'm telling. Okay, color for car. Right? Take as character format, right? Number of characters, maybe you take you 10. Okay. Description same, this will take what you had given here, right? This will take and go to the values. You can give this is character. So I'm giving the colors, okay, red, yellow, okay, white, right? Like this, you can give your colors. Okay, still you can add more. Okay, purple, okay, whatever you want. You can add your colors. Okay. This is how to create a characteristics. This is having some. Okay, here there is single and multiple values. For this, I'm keeping multiple values. Okay, for color, I'm keeping multiple values. Okay, but for pressure, I kept for color, I have multiple values, but for pressure, I kept single. Okay. So now my characteristics is created. I need to link it with my equipment or FL. Right. I can link it to my equipment or FL, or without that, this can be used for. This can be used for creating measuring point. That we may see tomorrow. Okay. That's also important point, mentioning pattern machine documents. That we'll see tomorrow. Okay. So this characteristic should be assigned to my equipment RFL, right? Open your equipment. Here you see a button class for you. You see a button class for you. Click it. This 002 class type is the standard number given by SAP. It's a very, very important point. Okay. For equipment, class type is 002. 002. And for FL 003. This is class type. This is class type. This 2 is very, very important. Okay. This is very, very important. Okay, class type. This is standard. You cannot modify this 002 and 003. We cannot modify. Given by SAP, if you are not using these two numbers, you cannot link your characteristics to your equipment reference. So in the case, now what is class? What is class? Class is nothing but grouping, kind of. Okay, kind of grouping, right? Class equal to CL01 and 02. Create a 01. Okay. CL02. Are there that will take care. We won't go much into it. Only create, change, and display for us. Okay, so class is kind of grouping. Okay, so if you go to class CL01, right? See, pumps they are created. Okay, what and all characteristics you are creating with respect to the pumps, you can add through this class. Getting me? Okay, so what is, I don't know this. Okay, that's all. Class type will give 002 for equipment, right? Pump here. Okay. So for the pump, what and all characteristics you are creating, you can link to this class. If you link to the class, then only you can attach it to the equipment. Then only you can attach it to the equipment. Got my point? Through class only. Double click this. See here. Characteristics can be linked to your technical object through class only. Without class, you cannot link to the equipment or FL. Okay. So let's create a new class. Okay, let's create a new class now. CL01. Okay. So create a class. I'm putting equipment for motive or okay equipment model class type. That is very important. You need to give 002 because we are doing for equipment. FL means 003. That's all. Okay. If you want to use for FL, use 003. Nothing matter. That's all. But you cannot use 002 for 003 and 00 for 000. That means equipment data you cannot do for FL data you cannot do for equipment. It should be linked to the proper class type. Clear? Any questions here? No, I created for equipment 002. Okay. Can I use for the FL? Because class type will vary. Class type will vary. Okay. So we'll do for equipment 002. Okay. Press enter. Okay. Class for motor. Okay. Status release as usual. Okay, you should take care of the status, very important. If you are not keeping release, it might give error. Okay, it will give error, not might, it will give error. So characteristics and class. Okay, status should be released. Write in your HANA class and characteristics. Okay. Status mandatory to be released. Status mandatory released. Maintenan handout. Okay. So yeah, go to the, that's all here. Keyword, nothing. Okay, go to the characteristics, attach your class. We created now PR and what about the color, right? Take it. Oh, you could take through F4 also, right? We created now. Okay, so cat class. Oh, characteristics, right? Okay. You can take from here also. Okay, PR and color, right? Anyway, if you know, you can enter manually. Otherwise, you can take from F4. All are same. Okay. PR MNOPQROP. Okay. Okay. We created PR, right? So enter. You will see the unit of measure. You will see the description and the data type. Okay. Data type is also here. This data type. Okay. Numeric or what. That is also is giving info. Decimal places. Unit of measure. Okay. Save it. This is how to create a class and linking the characteristics to the class. Any questions here? No questions. Now go to your equipment. Class type W0, I'll come again. Okay, 01 also we can go, no issues for class, right? Always give your maintenance plan, keep that. Okay, go to class overview. Our class is EQ motor, copy it, give here. Press enter. See, color for car and pressure for the pump. Right, color for car and the pressure for the pump. Okay. Right. So if you go for pressure, I am able to take one value. The value is what I have given there, right? 200 or 100 or 4000, right? I can take it. So when I open my equipment, I am coming to know the pressure is this. Standard pressure, the pressure, the motor output pressure or something. Okay. And if you go to the color, you will have different option. Reason for color at given here multiple values. For pressure at given here single value. So single multiple value, that is the difference. For here I can take only one option. See here. I cannot choose 2, 3. Only one single shot. That is the difference between this single and multiple values. Only one I can take. This is what class 1 characteristics. Again, I can get it through my report also. Okay, if you go to IH08, right, equipment report. Okay, see your class type and class, right? So valuation, go inside. Okay, class type 002. Okay, so valuation. Okay, you need to give the class. Without class, I cannot take. I need to give the class. Okay. So the class what we created today is EQ motor, right? EQ motor, EQ. EQ motor, right? Our class, right? And you can execute this way also. Okay, you are getting the equipment or through the valuation. Okay, give the values what you created. Color, what color I gave here? Class for you, yellow. Yeah, you can give any yellow or white, purple, right? You can give any. I'm giving white. Get your object. Got it? So this characteristics can be used in multiple objects, not one object. I can use in multiple objects. That is also matter. It's not that I can use only one place. Not like that. Okay, I can use in multiple objects. Okay. So any questions on class and characteristics? Anyone on the table for, please remember work on tables. Okay. I think AUF, no, AUSP for characteristics. Okay. Table for characteristics created on. Okay. So valid from maybe give today date. Might we will see. Number of entries. No. Author. Hmm. Author, maybe my ID. What is the user ID? Test one, maybe. Let's see. Taking only one, two, something is taking right. Class type, okay. Valid. Okay. Color will give and see. I don't know whether I'm giving correct or right. Oh, something is.
You can select class type, sir.
Class type, lot of data will be there. That's what I was checking. Lot of data will be there. 954 data. No, I'm checking if created by or created on. Nothing is there. That's what I was saying. Here you will get lot of data. That is the issue. Our data will be here, but we need to.
Okay.
I was. Tables. Location. Notification. Equipment. Ah. USB. Okay. We'll see KSML, but we'll see. We're getting anything. Created on a new characteristics. Okay. Okay, time is running. Okay. But you have reports, many reports are there. Okay, CL20N, CL30N, many are there. Okay. So there are many reports with respect to class and characteristics. Okay. Many are there. CL20 and CL. We don't want to remember that is but if you remember it's okay, but many are there actually. Okay. So you can see here, right? So classes, right? See here. Go to technical settings, display technical names, right? Lot of tables are there. T codes, okay. See, CT0 for week CL02, again many are there. See here. We don't remember everything. If you remember, okay, but not mandatory, okay. CL02 and CT04 is the mandatory for us, okay. CT10. CT10 is a report for characteristic super. CT10 we'll see. Super. Graded by, got it. Right, this is what I need. Tables, okay. This is also good. CT10, right? Super. Even I am seeing today only this T code. Okay. So next, if you want to do for FL, you need to use the class type 003. Okay. You have to use the class type 003. That's all. Do it for FL. Okay. You do for FL and C, right? Right. So next is right. Yeah. Okay. So CT. What is the T code? CT. Okay. So yeah. Any doubts or questions from characteristics and class? Anyone have any questions? Characteristics class or leave SAP. Why you are creating characteristics? Are you clear on it? Why I am creating from the business perspective? Are you clear? Why we are creating characteristics? Because for my object I need its specification, color of my car, pressure of my motor output pressure. From the object I can get directly, right? Any questions here from the business scenario wise? Okay, no doubt, no questions. Good.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, so okay, now I have my motor. Okay, I have my motor, right? So they are taking pressure at 3 points. Okay, PR1, 0.1 pressure, 0.2 pressure, 0.3 pressure. Not one place, 3 or more places they are taking the pressure. Okay, and the values are here: 20, 25, 35, 27, 25. Again, second point: 21, 24, 34, 26, 24. Again, the third point. Okay, 22, 23, 33, 25, 55. Any questions here? What I written here, any questions here? You are able to understand or any doubt here? 3 places I am taking the anything: pressure, temperature, flow. That's not a matter. Vibration value, anything. 3 or more places also. In this, any questions?
So why that one 20, 25, 35? Those are
My
vibration.
values, my motor pressure value. See, pressure means what all normally if you go to the refineries, power plants, even in the home, monthly they are taking the current reading, right? But in
sir.
the power plant and the your refineries or the factories, normally hourly ones or 2 hour ones they will monitor.
Sir.
Normally in Jindal also, no, actually 1 hour or 2 hour ones they will be monitoring it. That is what I had given the different values. Just I'm giving you example. No, I'm coming to the point. What is the issue? What is the why I'm telling this? I'll come to you. Any doubt here? That's what my question. Any questions here on this? Again, you can give these values. Okay, sum 55, 25, 33, 23, 23, 23, like this. Okay, something I'm giving some random values. Yes. Anyone have any questions here in this? For one motor at different places, I'm taking the values, and these are my values. This is the place I'm taking the value. And these are the parameters, my value parameters. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
For example, okay, this pump is there. I am taking my temperature at different places. This place one, this place, this place, this place, this place, this place. My requirement is this. 6 points I'm taking the values at my pump. Clear on this?
Yes,
The values
like thermography, sir. Thermography, you are going to checking in
anything,
three phase.
anything, any object. Even in room, if I want, I can keep three thermo temperature indicator, right? Why I need to depend
Yes.
on one? Correct,
Yes.
right? Even you see, remote you are raising, taking AC remote. I think remote also shows your room temperature. Remote, okay, AC remote will not show the temperature. That is the setting temperature. Okay, room temperature will not show. Set temperature. Okay, so I am not confident on my temperature showing the AC. I want to separate thermostat, thermometer. I can keep it, right? Yes or no? I can keep it, right? This is called as measuring point. And this is called measurement documents. Measuring point is the points I am going to take the values. Example here. Point 1, measuring point 1, measuring point 2, seal, measuring point 3, suction nozzle, measuring point 4, impeller, measuring point 5, discharge nozzle, measuring point 6, casing, measuring point 7, bearing, measuring point 7, 8. So they will tell us measuring point. In SAP, they are giving a word as measuring points. The location, they are telling us measuring points. The location or the point you are taking, right? That point they are telling by the word as measuring point. Clear? Any questions here? Okay. And the values are measurement document. And the values are measurement documents. Okay. Values are measurement document. So the T code for measuring point is okay. IK01, IK02 create, change and display. And the measurement document is IK11. Okay. IK11, IK12 and IK13. And again, your multiple reports are there. IK 22 and 14. Okay. This is measurement document, right? Measuring document. Okay. Measuring. Okay. This is for only measurement document. Okay. I can tell and okay. Okay. Right. So now we'll create measuring point and measurement documents, right? We'll create measuring point. So we already have our equipment, right? We have our equipment. For example, motor. Okay. We have a motor. Already we have our motor, right? Save it. Okay. One more point, don't confuse with this characteristics and the measuring point you are going to do. Both are not linked. Again, I am telling this characteristics you are using here. This is your equipment parameters. And in the measuring point, you are going to use the characteristics. Both are not linked. Okay, just for information, I'm telling. Don't think this and that should be same or not like that. Both are independent. Okay. So now we are going to create the measuring point IK01. Okay. So this is the T code to create the measuring point. Point 1. Okay. So point 1 I'll put as impeller. Okay, maybe I'll put as oil ring, right? I'll put as oil ring. Okay. Example I'm taking. Okay, we'll take as pump itself, Y motor, right? So this is 1, seal is 2, okay, nozzle is 3, okay, impeller is 4, discharge valve is 5, bearing 2 will take, okay, because front and back, right? So 6 and 7. Okay, these are my measuring points. Okay, this is what I told, oil ring maybe. Okay, oil ring or shaft. Okay, and then seal, nozzle, right? So this is a pump, right? Okay, where is my equipment? Close this. This is close. Equipment pump, right? I'll rename as pump. Do it. Now go to this is my equipment pump number. Go to IK01. Give your pump number here. Okay, give your pump number here. You are creating for equipment, so your measuring point object should be equipment, right? Press enter. So your equipment number will come automatically. This is your measuring point number generated by the system. First, you are going to create for shaft. Okay, shaft or oil ring. Okay, so shaft and oil ring. Pump position down. Okay, pump down. Only which position it is there. That's all like that. Okay, information purpose. And this is pump shaft. Okay, pump shaft. Right? Characteristics. We created already characteristics, right? So for now, I'm taking pressure, temperature, right? We need temperature. I'll create one characteristics if required. CT04, right? We need temperature. Okay. So T, so TM told is there, or I can create no issues. TM99 I'm creating. Okay, temperature. Celsius, I think so. Temperature, temperature, degree Celsius, correct only. I think so, correct. Degree Celsius. Okay. So now need to give the values also. Okay, because we are going to use this only, so your values are not required here. Okay. Tempo 99, save it. Go to your measuring point, give your tempo 99. Sorry, 99. We created, right? Okay, this is the characteristics I created. Okay, so this is the you see here. I cannot edit my unit of measure. I told, remember.
Yes, sir.
You cannot modify it. Okay, so this is the characteristics, the decimal places. That's all. Save it. So 11811. Okay, save it. 11811. Right. So next is seal temperature. Okay. So enter. This is down, seal temperature. Characteristics can be same. If you want, you can change the characteristics according to your requirement. Okay. If without pressure temperature, I want to see the pressure, means use pressure characteristics, right? That's all. Okay. Enter. Okay. This target value is the ideal value. Okay. Target value means it is the ideal. For example, I am riding a bike. What is my normal speed? Maybe 40 in India. Roughly, I'm telling. So that is the target value. The ideal running value is called the target value. Ideal measurement reading. Okay, that is called the target value. Okay, clear, right? Target value is the ideal running value. Correct, right? Bike, my value will be 35 or 45 by bike. Normal. Don't think of highway. Normal, you are running in a city. Okay. So 35 or 45. So that's the only information purpose. Okay. So if you want, you can keep. This is only information purpose. Okay. That's all here. Save it. So this is 1182. 1182, right? And sorry, 812. And then 345. 3 is suction temperature. Okay. Same equipment. Okay. This is also down. Okay. From suction temperature. So suction temperature, I'm keeping something high. Maybe the temperature may be high, right? So this is again information. This is no need to worry. This is information purpose. Again, then impeller and discharge valve. Okay. This is pump rear side, right? Back side. Okay. Pump impeller. Temperature. Okay. You can have different characteristics. I told you, if you want pressure, temperature, flow, color, whatever you want, you can create accordingly. Okay. So I'm keeping some value. Save it, and then discharge nozzle. Okay. Pump top. Put discharge nozzle. Right. Okay. And then bearing front and rear, right? We can create two, no issues. Pump front. Okay. Pump bearing. Front bearing. Okay, because two bearing normally they'll take two places, I think. So we'll create two. Right. If you want, you can enter or no issues on this. Okay. Good. And then rear. Okay. This is just information. No issues on this. Save it. Now go to your equipment. Go to measuring point. See here. Pump shaft, seal temperature, suction temperature, front bearing, rear bearing, impeller, discharge nozzle. Now you are clear what is measuring points? Any questions? Okay, now I'm going to enter my measurement values. Okay, I'm going to enter my measurement values. I think I created 7 or something. I don't remember. I'm not going to enter all the values. For some, I'm going to enter. Okay. Maybe first this we will enter. Okay. So measuring point 1, 11811, right? So IK 11 I told. Okay, 11811. Okay, so what is my first value here? 20, 25, 35. 20. Press enter. That's all. Okay, save it. So this is my measurement document number created by the system. This is a measuring point. This for this equipment, description of your equipment, time, date, time, characteristics is unit of measure. Any questions here? Okay, save it. Next values 25, 35, 27, right? Press enter, 25, save it. Enter, 35, enter, save. And then 25, 35, 27, 25. 27, enter, save. And then 25 again. This is how to create measurement values. Now, W1, 822, 21, 24, 34, right? 21, save. 24, enter, save. 34, enter, sorry, 812, right? Like this, you will enter values, that's all. 34, okay, save it. 26, 12, correct. 26, see. This is what measuring point and measurement documents, guys. Any questions on why? First, creating is different. Why you are creating measuring point? Why you are creating measurement document? Clear on the concept first, or not able to understand? Anyone have any questions? 22, 23, 33. Madam, any questions? Okay, again I'm taking this 814, 814, right? 63 for you. I'm taking two values only, not much. Okay. Now go to your equipment. IE02 or 03. Go to your measuring points. Select all your values. Measuring points. Click measurement documents. Get all the measurement documents you entered. You can use this button for clipboard, okay, for everyone, okay. If you copy here, right, you don't want to paste here, you can click here also, clipboard. It will come here. Enter, execute. See what and all values we entered with a measuring point and the measurement document. Measuring point description will take measuring point. Description of the measuring point, okay. Created on time, created by, okay, like this you can see here. Pump shaft, pump seal temperature, pump suction temperature, pump impeller, and the values of it. These are equipment. And the measurement document value, this is the readings, and this is the system generated document value. This is called measuring point and measurement document. Any open questions? Anything? Confusing or no? Speak something. If you are getting confused, is be free and speak to me, right, sir? I am getting right. Be free. Any question? Hearing me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. With this master data completed. Okay. So from Monday we are starting work order. Only one master data, that is bill of material. That's a small topic. I don't want to start today. Okay, it is a very small topic. Okay, that we can do Monday. Okay, only one topic, small topic. It will take only 15 minutes. Okay, that will complete on Monday, and then from Monday we are starting work order. For this work order only, you are creating all these master data. Work order is your step-by-step process to do your maintenance. Step by step process to individual maintenance. Okay. One small topic, or we can, it will take only 15 minutes. Maybe I don't want to press you today, so we can do tomorrow maybe. It will take only 15 minutes, okay? If you want, we can do bomb tomorrow. 10 to 15 minutes. That's a very short topic actually. Or we can do Monday. I'm fine. But again, I want you guys to revise properly. Running class, no use. Proper revision to be done. I am 50-50 okay. No, you guys are okay, but not very strong preparation. Okay. So even I have some work. My wife, Saturday, we are going to hospital morning 7 a.m. So tomorrow I might be little busy in the evening. So maybe. So
We can continue
15
from
minutes. Tell me, sir. Tell me, sir.
yeah, we can continue better. We can continue then from Monday onwards.
Yeah. Or I can do only 15 minutes, not a matter. Tomorrow we can, because
Okay.
today I don't
If you
want
are
to.
comfortable, no problem, sir.
15 minutes not a matter. 15 minutes not a matter, because tomorrow it will be a short call. Only bomb. Work on.
Okay.
We'll see tomorrow, but I'll complete bomb tomorrow. Okay. Again, I'm telling 1,000 times, do proper practice. That is important.